Good, it's your boy said Blackie back again with another video. As y'all can see, we got the Camaro in the back. Gonna be doing another video. As y'all can see by the title, we're gonna be terrorizing some neighborhood. You know what I'm saying? Make sure y'all got a like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned. Let's get to it. Oh, we're gonna hold it down right here. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna hold that down. Yeah, let's get out there. Let y'all hear that thing first. Y'all wanna hear that thing? Put it in fun mode. Put it in fun mode. That shit sound good. Hey, this Camaro sound like Donald, boy. That thing sound like Donald, boy, when you driving it. It sound like Donald when you downshifting. Roll that window up just a little bit. It sound like thunder when you when you downshifting and it burbles. It sound like thunder. It sounds like thunder. Terrorize some neighborhoods. Put it in M. Put it in that M mode. Put it in M mode. Put it in that M mode. Let's turn them downshifts. Let's turn them downshifts though, chat. What y'all think about them downshifts? Comment down below. Hey, this Camaro sounds so good. I'm telling you, this thing sounds so good. Like, switch to them downshifts, brother. Them downshifts sound crazy. I hope it ain't too much wind. I hope it ain't too much wind. Damn. This motherfucker is crazy, gang. Let's do that thing talk. Talk. This motherfucker sounds crazy gay. This motherfucker sounds crazy, chat. I promise you, like, you cannot go wrong with a Camaro, bro, like, whatsoever. Like, this the interior, like it's a coupe, it's small in the back seat if you're a tall guy, but like, dude, this thing is fucking sick. This thing is fucking sick. I'm not even going crazy. I'm pretty much just driving, disturbing the peace, bro. I forgot I was in drive. It downshifted though I was doing that. Like, it was like, the car's so smart, it'll go in performance mode, which is in now. I do drive it and drive, but like, I don't drive crazy and drive. I always play with manual, and this shit drives crazy. Sorry if it got windy, guys, but I was caught in the moment. I was kind of caught in the moment. I'm gonna pick y'all back up though. Oh my God, never get old. Let's go. Drive so weird. Drive is so weird, chat. Drive is so weird. It's like it cuts it out. It like it cuts off because it's like I just don't know. It's like if the car, it's like in drive, if the car is spinning, that bitch cut the power, and then it once it hook, it like kick in. But it happens so quick. But like, if you know, you know. But like, if you don't, you just probably won't understand. But like, if I was in manual mode just then, I could have spent that bitch out, literally kicked up smoke. But for whatever reason, drive just seemed. No, I don't know. I could have did. I don't know. My reaction time could have triggered. Like, I don't know why they just put out in front of me like that, but it could have triggered. You know what I'm saying? Like, holy shit, bitch. People tripping, bro. But like, they could have tripped my response time. I mean, my reaction time, so I didn't crash. But I like to do that shit in manual mode. Only reason why I ain't do it then, cause I'm using my left hand. Like, I don't really trust. It's not that I can't trust. I mean, it's not that I don't trust my left hand. It's just like, how the hell I'm gonna upshift with my left hand if I gotta use the right paddle? You know what I'm saying? But hell, I guess I'll pick y'all back up when I get out there. I gotta get my brakes ASAP. I'm just like playing with the thought of like I ain't trying to do nothing too stupid, too crazy to call me to smack some shit. So it's like I ain't going crazy, I ain't going dumb. I'm playing with this bitch really. And I got a lot of leaves to blow up. Oh my god. Just listen to the motherfucking pow pow. To the motherfucking pow pow, and it stopped, bruh. Oh my god, and it stopped. Y'all heard them barrels? Holy shit. He only spin that bit. He was back. That shit crazy. Y'all heard the fuck yeah talk go crazy. That's that shit crazy. The people love this shit though. The people love this shit here, you know what I'm saying? Like, people love this shit. Just for that, make sure y'all got like, comment, subscribe, comment down below if you want a part 2. Peace. Your boy said Black and I'm rocking out with a banger.